Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be something different. Like, I found this product on Amazon which was really inexpensive. Like 150 to 200 bucks is not that expensive, and I found this contour cream palette from MeNow Pro, and this was very hyped up on Amazon, I guess, because I literally found at least 20 companies selling this product at different price range, and I found the cheapest one and I bought it from there. And I'm going to link it down in the description box if you want to buy it, or if you want to at least see what the hype is all about. So to get started with this video, the first thing that I'm going to tell you about this palette is this may look like it will go for every skin tone, but it's not like that. People with darker skin tones may only end up using these two rows and not the entire palette, because the shades on this side are way lighter than they look. So, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up so I can know you like these kind of videos. So let's go. And this has few contour shades, few concealers, color correctors, and one highlight. And I'm going to test out this product today. This is like, if you are new to contouring and you search contour on Amazon, this is what you will see everywhere. So I thought I should test it out for you guys and let you know if it's worth buying or not. First of all, I'm going to prime my face with this spray. Then I'm going to take my foundation and a small brush to apply it all over my face. I'm going to use this to apply the foundation to my skin. Now that I've applied my foundation to my skin, I'm going to go in with this concealer and contour palette, and I'm going to apply the concealer using this brush again. Not quite sure which shade would be good for me, so I'm going to go in with this shade right here, and I'm going to apply it wherever I need my highlight to be, that is under my eyes. This has a very pink undertone to it, as you can see, and I do not have a pink undertone skin, so I'm going to go in with also this yellow shade right here, and I'm going to apply a little bit of it to the area where I want to highlight. So these are the parts that you always want to highlight, remember that. Then I'm going to use a brush and stipple the compact out, because I personally feel concealers are way better when you use a brush than using a sponge, because the brush will help you to keep the concealer at the place you want it to be and not move it around too much. So far it blends pretty nice, you can see that. I'm going to mix these three shades and use them together. So I'm dipping my brush into all three. And I'm going to apply it to the places I want to contour. Now I'm using my same brush and I'm going to also blend this out. Okay, now that I have cream contoured my face, I'm going to apply a little bit of setting powder to my face, actually all over it, to set the cream contour. To set the cream contour, because I do not want it to look very like cracked and greasy at the end of the day. So I'm going to set it out. And in case you ever make your face look very light, so just do not worry about it much, just use a darker shade of compact or use your bronzer and apply it to all over your face. That will kind of neutral it out. Next up, I'm going to bronze up. So to bronze out, I'm using this bronzer from Sivanna Colors palette right here. Take it on my brush and apply it to the hollow of my face. Then using a smaller brush, I am going to define my nose contour a little. And using the same brush, I am going to apply it to my outer eye corners. Okay guys, so I went on and did the rest of my face on camera because I wanted to keep this video limited to this product and this product only. So to tell you my review about this product, it is a good palette, it blends very good, but the only con about this palette is this is not meant for everyone. Like people with dark skin tone cannot use it, or maybe they can go for only these shade, and the lighter skin tone can use all of these shades. And this product is really good. This is not that expensive, like hardly 200 bucks is okay I guess for this product, and it's not even 200, I guess it's below 200, and I think this works very good if you can work your brushes well. So I will give this product a 7 out of 10. I feel like this product is actually good because the blendability of these cream concealers is pretty good, and I do not have any other complaints from this. If you like the content and would like me to do more such videos, please let me know in the comments down below. If you have any other product for me to review which is affordable and everyone can use it, let me know in the comments down below. And thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and thank you. Bye.